Get record checking. Today there will be two-part video. Okay. That's it. All us. Today, yeah, that is McGregor lag thang. McGregor thang yana lagin. McGregor A yin. Yana lag B yin.
Kerang pupa yin pe.
Ma pepe yin. Kiran yang pepe yin be.
Nga yang pupa yin. Nga ne. Nga hlasa ne yin.
That's it.
Ani kerang ki ne kerang kane. Ani kerang kane yin.
That's it.
Nga kamne yin. Ani kiran ki pama kaba yu be.
Khabar yure. Yupe mare.
Kaba yore.
Gongso yakar la yure. Kerang ki pama kapar yure. Yeah.
Kongso lasa la yore. Ani gyaga la pepe mangbo yore be.
Peyago.
Yure gyakar la pupa mangpo yure.
Ale. Ani gyaga la yak yore be.
Yumare gyakar la yak yumare.
Kaba di sude.
Hako masong.
Peyago.
Kaba di kiranki mare be.
Mare kaparti nge mare.
That's it.
Rang la tep yu be.
Ye ngala tep mangpo ye.
That's it. Peyago loso. Nika peyago loso. McGregor thang yana la tujiche. That's it. Peyago. Aguloso. Ya, tene Sonia la thang Nyurma la inda. Nyurma la tsarpare be. Ya. Nyurma la A yin. Sonia la B yin.
Kerang pepa yin be.
Nga pepa yin. Kerang yang pepa yin pe.
Yang pepa yin. Nga hasane yin. Ani kerang kane yin.
Nga kam ne yin. Ani kerang ki pama kapa yure.
Peyago.
Kongso gyakar la yule. Kerang ki pama kapar yule.
That's it.
Kongso lasa la yure. Ani Kerang,
Kirang mane.
sorry, Garla Pepa Mangpu Yurepe.
That's it.
Yure. Kerkala Pepamang.
Uh-huh.
Wait.
Oh, sorry. Here. Diredi.
Yure. Kerkala Pepamang po yure.
Huh?
Ale Ani Yakarla Yak Yurepe.
Fair.
Yomare. Kerkala yak yomare.
Kapar di Sure.
Hakomason.
Kappa di Keranki Marepe.
Mare. Kapati nge mare.
Kerang la Tepyure.
Yupe. Mm-hmm.
Yupe.
Yankerlo.
Kerang la Tep Yupe.
That's it.
Yu. Ngala tep mangpo yu.
That's it. Fair. Fair also. Tujiche. Tujiche. Yeah, tene sulhasong kamachi. Tene en clair thang nima lagi. Nima lag A yin en clair lag B ray.
Okay.
Kamachi gua. 1 minute. Holas. Yeah, Inda.
Kerang, sorry. Kerang Pepa Inte.
Ja, Pöpayin. Kirang yang
Uh-huh.
Pöpayin pi.
Nga yang Pepa In. Nga Hasnin. Ani Kerang Kanin.
Ja, kam neyin. Ani. Kirang ki pama kaparyin re.
That's it.
Kaparyure.
That's it.
Konso Gakarla Yore. Kerang ki Pama Kawar Yore.
That's it.
Kongse jakar. Aha. Kongse okay. Hassa.
Uh-huh.
Hassala yere. Ani. Jakala Pepa Mangpu yinrepe.
That's it.
Yore. Gakarla Pepa Mampo Yore.
Fair also.
Ale. Ani. Jakala yak yerepe.
Yomare. Gakarla Yak Yomare.
Kapardi Sure.
Yeah.
Gangshe. Pagoki Mason.
Hakoma song. Uh-huh.
Hakoma Song.
Fair. Kangshe Hakoma song. Fair.
Gangshe. Pagoma Song.
Uh-huh.
Kapardi Keranki Marepe.
Mare. Kapardi Nye Mare.
Yeah. Kirangla. Tip. Yupe.
That's it.
Ye. Ngala dep mampo ye.
That's it. Peyago. Tujiche nimadang encredla. Yaku love song. Peyago love song.
Tujiche.
Tujiche,
Okay.
tujiche. Very good.
Yuche.
Hola, so we all did very well. Okay. Sangman peyago che song. Tene, we will practice this little bit 1-2 times more. Then we can start with the verbs. Okay. That's it. Oh yeah. Revision chekureda. Jondar. Revision peyako yore. Ako jondar che. Tene. Ni. Chatsik jonki in. Verb jonki in. Ako before we are not fluent in this, I will not start verbs. Okay. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Tujiche. Hola, Suraso. We all did very well. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's it. Okay. Then today we will learn Chutsu, Katsu, Rei. Okay? Chutsu, Katsu, Rei. Chutsu, Katsu, Rei. Chutsu, Katsu, Rei. That's it. How goes on? Okay? Chutsu, Tangpo, Rei. Tangpo. Tangpo. How goes on? Chutsu, Tangpo. And after that, Pele Lapore. Chutsu Nipa, Chutsu Sumpa, Chutsu Shipa, Chutsu Ngapa, Chutsu Chupa, Chutsu Dunpa, Chutsu Gepa, Chutsu Gupa, Chutsu Chupa. Like this. Agosunga. Okay?
So tangpo means first.
Really? It means 1 o'clock. Like this.
Oh, 1 o'clock. Okay.
But it's first also. You are right. Agosunga. First young Ray. First young Ray. Chutsu Tangpo. Then after that, you just add pa after the numbers. Chutsu Nipa, Chutsu Sumpa, Chutsu Shipa. Agosunga. Then I will add Tata. Tata Chutsu Katsure. Tata Chutsu Katsure. Or you can say Tata Chutsu Katsure Duk. It's very good usage of Reduk. Oh, Tata Chutsu Tangpo Reduk. Oh, Tata Chutsu Nipa Reduk. Like this. Agosuma. If it's general knowledge, then you can say Tata Chutsu Tangpo Re. If it's not, you just direct experience it and you're realizing it. Then you say, oh, Tata Chutsu Tangpo Reduk. Oh, Tata Chutsu Nipa Reduk. Oh, Tata Chutsu Sumpa Reduk. Like this. Okay? Chutsu Tangpo. Chutsu 니빠, 추추, 숨빠. 추추, 숨빠. 하고서 Tene chuchu shipa, chuchu ngapa, trupa, dimba, keba, guba, chupa, chuchik, chuni. That's it. So we don't say chosun, chushi, changa. Mostly Tibetan use till 12. Then go back to 1. Like this. That's it.
Why did you write pö once and the other one with po in the second line?
Yes, that's how we do it. That's how we do.
Okay.
That's it. Okay? Chuchu Tangpo. Only 1 o'clock has naro. Agosuma. Tangpo la naro yure. Nipa sumpa shipa ngapa la naro yumare. Agosuma. Okay? Tata chuchu katsure. Or tata chuchu katsu reduk. That's it. Oh, tata chuchu tangpo reduk. Tata chuchu nipa reduk. Or tata chuchu tangpo re. Tata chuchu nipa re. Like this. Agosuma. Okay? Okay, then if you want to add minute, then you can say 추추, 당보, 당, karma, karmanga reduk, like this. The karma minute re, hakosuma. Okay. 추추, 당보, 당, karmanga reduk. 추추, 당보, 당, karmanga reduk. Just like that. Okay, that's it. Then we should also practice whatever we learned before also, okay? I want to tell everyone I'm traveling from Kathmandu to Delhi in bus. It will take a long time. So maybe I will be able to do lesson on Monday. If I cannot, please practice self-study or take rest, whatever you want to do. Hakosuma, okay?
That's all.
I will
Have a safe travel, dear Tenzin.
Thank you very much.
How many hours do you think?
I'm used to it. This is like a 25 to 30 hours in bus.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
I enjoy it. There are a lot of scenes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they stop at many different restaurants. Yes.
Is it one bus? Same bus?
Yes, one bus.
Oh,
One bus.
one more.
That's it. Because I'm a refugee, I cannot travel in aeroplane. Okay, that's the only reason.
Then Kabaryubi. Tanda.
Tata Kathmandu la yu. Ene sangi ngi Delhi la dugiin, Delhi ne ani Dharamsala la dugiin. Last. Oh yeah. Then I will send the today's reading and this note. Practice it. Agosuma. I then also sent before, I sent many notes. Please don't forget to practice them, okay? Kapat gangladu, wogladu, nangladu, chilogladu, di nge re, di konki re, di su re. Like this, okay?
Tenzin, the letters that you send via WhatsApp, the many letters,
Yes.
can we check in the online book whether our pronunciation is correct? Or
Yes, you can check it. There is
this is in the book. I haven't checked yet in the book, but yeah.
for
Okay.
example,
thank you.
here, maybe I sent you this one, I think.
6-5.
Yeah, this one, right? So on the top, you can hear.
Yeah. Good. Thank you.
I think he read 2 times like this. So, yes, you can check it. How goes one? Okay? That's it. For the prefix, I can see he read them as pao, not pa. Pao, pao, kao, tao, like this. So his O is extra. That is also one way of reading it. How goes one? Pa cha nga chang or pao cha nga chang. Both are okay. Niga digibe. How goes one? That's it. If you have any question, you can ask me in the WhatsApp. I'm happy to answer. How goes one? Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's it. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for coming. Rashid Dalek. Ani jela jeyong. Last.
Thank you. Thank you.
Rashid Dalek. Tujeche.
Safe travels.
Tujiche. Rashid Dalek Tujiche. Thank you.
Thank you.